Hey everyone! It's been a while since I posted my live trading session on the channel. So today, I picked a few of the most interesting trades from my latest session. Multiple strategies, a few key moments, and one mistake you definitely need to avoid. No long intro? Let's dive right in. Alright, first setup, we've got a chart with an uptrend. Now here's the interesting part. In the morning, price formed a triple top. But instead of reversing, the market kept pushing up. That's a big signal. Bulls are still in control. Now to the current setup, I mark a resistance zone that's already been tested. First it broke, then pulled back, then price climbed again. That tells me the zone is strong, but tradable. Now I spot a tight flag pattern. Price consolidates, volatility drops, and then a strong green candle breaks the upper border. That's the confirmation I needed. I enter 18 minutes long, working on a 2-minute time frame. So it's just 9 candles. Target is previous day's high. Quick RSI check. It's hovering around 70. Yes, that's overbought. But price has been in that zone before and stayed strong. So here, RSI supports the trend. It's not a reason to sell. Price does exactly what I expected. Pushes higher to the maximum, pulls back to the trend line, holds it, and the trade closes in profit. Trade number 2. Now we've got something different. A flat market, but with high volatility. Just because the candles are big, it doesn't mean chaos. If structure is holding, I'm still in. I mark global support and resistance zones. Look at how price reacted. Price recently bounced hard off support and formed a double bottom. Pattern played out, price went up, but now we're back to the same zone. It's a classic retest of a strong level. That's my setup. I go long for 20 minutes. Why that long? Because there's still room to resistance, and in flat markets, things take longer. Better safe than sorry. I skip RSI here. In flat markets, because of high volatility, it's often too slow and throws off signals. Market gives me another strong bounce of support. Trade closes in profit. Trade number 3. Started with some consolidation. There was flat price action. But then price broke resistance and formed a clear uptrend. Now I see another impulse, small pullback. Perfect for a double impulse strategy. But I wait for confirmation. Need that second push. I draw support and we see a big green candle engulfing the red one. That's our engulfing pattern. Still, I wait for the next candle, and it confirms the direction. As before, I open a 20 minutes long. Back to RSI. Again, it's at 70, same as before. But price has stayed strong at these levels earlier. That means it's not a reversal signal. So it's not a signal against the trade, but just the confirmation of trend strength. Another solid win. I want to start making money online, but I don't know where to start. What if I lose my money? I hear this all the time. Look, trading isn't some magic button to get rich overnight. But if you want to try it the right way, without wasting money or months figuring things out, here's how. I trade on Quotex, and right now, you can copy my trades for free while learning in real time. No upfront fees. I'll get a commission from the platform instead. That means you can test everything on a demo, see how it works, and decide for yourself without spending $1. It takes minutes. You get the currency pair announcement. Open it on the platform. Then you get the signal. Place the trade. And that's it. Will this make you a millionaire tomorrow? Of course no. But it will get you started, you'll see how it works, and see your first profit without risk. This is the easiest way to step into trading. Just check it out and see if it's for you. Click the link, get set up, and let's go. Trade number 4. Still in an uptrend, but this time the move is weaker. Price started slow, then made a strong push. Then it hit resistance and pulled back to support. RSI entered the overbought zone and started dipping. Looks like a reversal. But wait, I watch more closely. Price didn't break support, and that level has history. Plus, RSI hasn't dropped below 70 yet. So the trend's still alive, just pausing. So I enter a long trade for 18 minutes, giving the market room to breathe and bounce back off support. Price forms a double bottom, pushes up, perfect confirmation. Trade closes in profit. Trade number 5. Alright, last and most interesting one. Strong downtrend, steady move, until price hits support. Looks like consolidation. But then I spot something. After a bounce, price forms a double top, a local reversal signal. But here's the key. The pattern only works after the break. There I mark the support zone, not just a line, and see price pressing against it. Tight candles, no bounce. That means an upcoming breakout. Then, here it comes, a clear breakout. Several candles push through support. I enter short for 18 minutes. RSI at this moment is sitting at 30, oversold zone. I ignored it, thinking momentum would carry it lower. But here's the mistake. RSI had been hovering around oversold all day, not going lower. So this time, 30 did matter. Price failed to hold below and snapped right back up. Trade closed in loss. Important lesson. Even when a setup looks perfect, never ignore RSI completely. Always look at the bigger picture, especially when the market's overheated. Losses happen. It's part of the game. What matters is what you learn from them. Today, I showed you how I actually trade. No perfect cuts. The process as it is. If you like this kind of real talk, support the channel. And if you want to be ahead of most traders, subscribe and see you in my Telegram. See you in the next one.